Before you begin, remove the display panel assembly. Removal. Remove the foam pad that covers the wireless WAN connectors. Caution: use care when disconnecting the wireless WAN antenna cables from the wireless WAN module. A damaged cable or connector can degrade tablet performance. Carefully disconnect the wireless WAN antenna cables from the wireless WAN module by grasping the connectors with a small pair of needle nose pliers or tweezers. Remove the 2mm P1 Phillips head screw that secures the wireless WAN module to the system board. Grasp the wireless WAN module by the edges and pull gently to remove it. Important: if the replacement wireless WAN module does not come with the pad on the back of the module, remove the pad from the old module and install on the new wireless WAN module. Reverse this procedure to install the wireless WAN module. Important: when installing the wireless WAN module, be sure to align the notch in the wireless WAN module with the key in the wireless WAN module slot in the system board.